Hello. Hi. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How are you? What's up? Please. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me. I'm sorry. What's your name? Where are you from? How old are you? Can you help me? What time is it? Where is the nearest? How's your day going? What do you do for a living? Nice to meet you. Have a good day. See you later. Take care. I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm excited. I'm tired. I'm bored. I'm busy. How was your day? I'm home. What's for dinner? I'm going to bed. Good night. How's work or school? I have a meeting or class. Can I ask you a question? I need your help. I agree. I don't agree. Maybe. I'm not sure. That makes sense. How much does this cost? Where can I find? Can I pay with a credit card? I'm not feeling well. I have a headache. I need to see a doctor. I'm going for a run. Hello, who's speaking? Can I speak to, please? I'll call you back. I missed your call. Can I have the menu, please? I'd like to order. Check, please. The food was delicious. How's the weather today? It's so hot, cold outside. Looks like it's going to rain. What's the forecast? What time is the next train, bus? How far is it to destination? Is there a taxi stand nearby? Where is the nearest subway station? I love. I really like. I hate. I'm not a fan of. What are you doing this weekend? Let's grab a coffee sometime. I'm free on. Can we reschedule? Happy birthday. Congratulations. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Did you see my message? I'll send you a link. My phone's not working. How do I get to? Is it far from here? Turn left, right. It's on your left, right. Did you watch the game? I enjoy. Let's play. I'm a fan of. I'm running late. I'll be there on time. Can we meet at? Let's schedule a meeting. Wow! I can't believe it. That's incredible. Seriously? What are your plans for the future? Those were good times.